say bounce that shit like whoa. Bounce that shit like whoa. This is not a fairy tale. I already know how you like it. Take you to the mall and
Get that black, yo. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and I am back at it with another video. So today's video we're going to be doing some Tapestry pants. Again, this is my second time making these, and if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, what's good, what's popping, what it do, what it do, sis. But this blanket is super cute. My best friend found it on Amazon, but let's get into it, sis. You're going to be needing some sweatpants or some type of pants that you want to use. Polo. This is my baby, so I'm a new subscriber. This is my first child, my only child. So yeah, we like to get straight to the point over here. I don't like to play around, but we're going to go ahead and cut the pants. You want to make sure you cut a couple inches away as you're doing it, so y'all can make sure y'all got enough. You'd rather have enough than not enough, you know. So this part we're gonna literally flip it. You gotta make sure you flip it, y'all, because that really matters. So flip it and then basically just cut out that. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I got these pants in a purse. Now here you see me folding the pants the other way. This is going to be the back, and you know, of course, you're gonna need a little more space for the butt. And I am laying the pants right here so I can make sure I got the correct length. And also make sure you put your template like as close as to where you already cut, because you need as much fabric as we can. And like I said, we're gonna do the same thing that we did to the front to the back. So we got that cut out. We're gonna lay it on top and cut it out again. Y'all, me and my best friend just have the most funniest moments. Like, listen at this.
That's really like a fat ass leg.
It's gonna be your fat ass leg.
Yeah, y'all.
Definitely finna be your fat ass leg. Alright.
I get some screens to come out.
You can.
I'm talking about around the waist.
I said you can, motherfucker.
Damn, you funny, bro. I said you can, motherfucker.
Hell no. So basically, that's it for the pants. We're going to put that to the side and we're going to start on the purse. So this is a record purse that I did create. I will list it down below in the description box for those of you who haven't seen it yet. I did make that, but I'm basically using this to trace out a circle the best way that I can. So we're going to need 2 of those. This is how she wanted it. She wanted like a circle puff purse, basically. So right here I am cutting out the strap. These are basically all the pieces, the pants and the purse. So now we're going to go ahead and take the top 2 and we're going to sew only the crouch part right here. Let's go to the sewing machine. And I am using a zigzag stitch. So this is what yours should be looking like, and of course we're going to do the same thing that we did to the other ones. So now that both of those is due, what I'm doing right here is basically, if you want the little furry things on the outside of your pants, you have to do this method that I'm doing now. Both of the right sides I am stitching right down the middle, and this is what it should look like. Sorry the video isn't as detailed as it could be. I was running out of storage, little space, so I did both sides. So now we're going to go ahead and sew up the inside of the pants. using this little pencil to mark out some holes because as you can see, she wanted a string, little drawstring of hers. So I did that for her. My camera always sliding down for some reason. But yeah, if y'all want a more detailed video, I will list the other one down below. Sorry y'all, my words is just all over the place. So right here, what am I doing? Oh, I am sewing around the hole. I forgot I had one of those little hole puncher things. And y'all look at my cute little tags. Oh my god, handmade by Susie collection. Y'all, it's official. So right here I am hemming up like the waistband. Y'all, I am so excited about my little tag. So right here, she wanted the rough edges, so I didn't hem it up, but I did go ahead and just sew around it so that like the strings are not coming apart. So I had this extra little rope. I'm showing y'all like the whole little deal. I'm giving y'all all the details. So we boiled some water, put some dish detergent in it. I bought the little dye, a little teal color from Walmart. I forgot how much I spent on it, but we're gonna just basically sit the rope in there and let it boil. Look at the color, it's super cute. Oh my god. But from the texture of this rope, it did stay, but it wasn't, of course, as dark as it was in here. So I just basically pour it out, run some water on it, and then see, like I said, it wasn't as, you know, dark as the color. But this was actually perfect because once you see how it flows with the pants, y'all. But look at that, how that color matches. So y'all just use the safety pin. Y'all know this little method. You just stick it through, feed it through the waistband part, and yeah, it's lit. Okay, so I got this little quilt bout in. Y'all, I never used this. This is my first time using it, but come on, so we can use it together. So I actually got this silk from Walmart, y'all. This color was so freaking pretty, and this just gonna be in the inside of the purse to give it, you know, like a more little look. And y'all, like I said, this is my first time, so I did cut all of this, but I did not use it. It was actually way too thick, you know. So I end up taking some out, but this is what it's looking like. I'm using the circle so we can have the, you know, the same little print all over, and I decided to put in a little pocket. So that's what that is. It is just gonna be an inside pocket for the purse, sis. If you know, you know. So literally I am just going to go ahead and sew around 3 edges, and then we got room for our pocket. So that's done. So now y'all, we're gonna go ahead and put the front and the back pieces together. And you want to make sure you put both of the right sides together or whatnot. So we're going to go ahead and flip it and stuff it. Okay, sis? So y'all, as y'all can see, this is just super easy. Just stuff it in there and make sure it's flat, and this is what it should look like. So we're gonna go ahead and just go and sew that part up and do the same thing that we did to the other side. Of course, y'all, we're gonna put them like this, and as you can see, you can already see that it was, you know, big. I should have took a little more out, but like I said, this is my first time. She wanted it to be like a puff bag, so that's what I did, and this is what it's looking like right here. And I'm flipping it inside out so we can work with it. And I feel like the bag was open too much, so I did go back in and close the bag up a little bit, as you can see here. So these are the straps that I got. She wanted the rough edges to look as is, so this is what it's looking like. And we're just gonna sew those in the inside, and this is what the bag is looking like. It is not 100% fixed because I did go ahead and add a zipper, but yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. But y'all, as you can see, I'm trying to figure out a way like I'm not liking that look. Like, it's not giving that vibe, you know. So I did poke it out a little more to give it that more circle look, but here's me adding the zipper. Super simple. I didn't get into detail, but it's common sense with the zipper. Common sense, like literally. I sewed it down, and now it's looking a lot better since it's closed. I feel like it was just too much, you know. So y'all, let me know what y'all think. Give me some tips on next time when using it, but I feel like I got it. I definitely got it. So I'm gonna make another puffer bag soon. I'm trying to come up with some ideas, but let me know what y'all think about the bag and the pants. My best friend definitely put that shit on. But I love you guys oh so much. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. And I'm out. Peace.